Turn that off. Do you think there's a leak in that house? This modem's been kicked offline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in the last 30 days for a couple hours at a time. Well, that's fixed. Have a look at this. This is the connector that was at a splitter with an open port and about 30 feet of cable going to the modem. We're not allowed in the home. I had them shove their cable out the window at the right hand side of the house there. Fixed it. My SNR is back up to 38 on all four. Yeah, nice.